Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to remove text from an image in GIMP. After importing your image into GIMP, select the clone tool from the menu in the upper left corner. Alternatively, you can quickly use the clone tool by pressing the C key. Next, hold down the Control key and click on the area you want to use as a reference to cover the text. I click here while holding down the Control key because I want to cover the "Please" text with snow. Then I left-click on the text. In short, this feature transfers the area I selected with Control and left-click to the brush I'm actively using. You can also change the cloning location at any time. Even when you cover all the text or object with the clone tool, you may sometimes not get the desired result. For this, we will use the healing tool. To use healing, you can press and hold the clone tool icon and select healing, or press the H key. Healing gives us the opportunity to blend, and its working principle is the same as the clone tool. I select the reference area using Control and left click, and then I click on the areas I want to cover using only the left click. Healing is truly a life-saving feature. This is the initial version. And this is the final version. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to remove text from an image in GIMP was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.